Thunder, my 500 Magnum. 17 grizzly bear charges stopped. 40 years Alaska wilderness, need her
I
restored.
understand what Big Thunder represents.
I will restore your .500 Magnum to factory specification. You have my word.
Acknowledged. Consider it
Take
done.
care of her. She took care of me.
Heavy pull, really gritty. Hammer falls too slow. Needs a full action job, this trigger. Still seized. Try some oil. Marking the extraction points. The blade is binding.
All right, it's stuck solid. Need some oil here. Just soak it in there, give it a minute to work. Tap, 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 increasing pressure.
Strong resistance, good compression despite the rust, serviceable, looks within spec.
Screw releases cleanly. Listen to that spring tension. 40 years later, it still fires. Appreciate the reliability.
Forty-six, 47 individual components. A flawless mechanism, truly remarkable engineering.
Lubrication applied, spring installed, retaining screw torqued. Now for pounding. Applying anti-seize. Aligning threads. Torquing to specification. Checking alignment. history, each mark representing a grizzly bear encounter. Torquing them evenly, the grips are seated.
Function check passed perfectly. Approved for service.
Restoration documentation complete. Smith Wesson .500 Magnum. Complete restoration. Functional test passed. Historical significance noted. Signature applied. Professional quality guarantee.
Ranger, Big Thunder is ready, and she's better than the day you bought her.
I'll be there tomorrow morning first thing. Thank you for taking care of her.
Permission? It's perfect. More than perfect. Thank you.
Every mark. You preserved them all. This is perfect.
Better than I could shoot her young.
Ranger, Big Thunder saved 23 lives, including 5 children.
This restoration's my honor, Narge. I'm 85 years old. Big Thunder and I, we've been through hell together. 17 grizzlies. You're part of Big Thunder's story, too. She protected you like she protected 23 others.
Look, I built a tower.
It's so tall.
Can the doll go up there?
Big Thunder! Just saved my life.
Forget. Big Thunder saved me today. That soul grizzly was 12 feet.
Get back! Move! Come on, you bastard! Move. Aim to Big Thunder. 1, 2, 3! Big Thunder saved me that day. This makes 11. Worthy every time. Not today. Number 13. Big Thunder, you saved me again. Today. That's 15.